Okay, kids, so today we're going to look at some of the databases that you can access through the public library. We have some digital resources here at the school, primarily Britannica, which you guys have accessed before, but there are also some other great databases that you can access through having a library card at the Princeton Public Library. And today we're going to use my library card to log in so you can explore and check out the databases, but this is something that you can always do at home with your parents if you have a library card, or you can go get a library card if you don't have one, so that way you can also access these resources. So I'll put the website on the screen when you guys are doing this, but it's princetonlibrary.org. And when you get to the home page, you'll see there's a banner at the top here with different tabs that expand when you hover over them. This third one is research, and we want to go to databases by subject. Now, this page, databases by subject, this is the really useful page for you guys. You can look through other areas if you want, but it has a section just for children with the resources that are probably most relevant for you. So we have middle search and primary search by EBSCO, which have a lot of articles on different topics for research. We have a Muzzy language learning novelist, which can help recommend books if you're looking for something to read. RB Digital, which is a resource that has audiobooks and ebooks available. And we also have World Almanac for Kids online. So that's what we're going to be using today. Now, before we go into the database, I want to just make it a little easier for you guys to get here in the future. So how you might bookmark this page so you can get to the database listing much easier the next time. If you look at this top bar here, it says bookmarks. And when you expand this, you can see all of my bookmarks. I actually already have one created for Princeton Public Library databases. But how you would do this is by hitting bookmark this page, a dialog box pops up, and I created this title. I named it PPL Databases. You can call it whatever you want, but something that makes it easy for you to find it. And then when you're ready, you would just hit done. Since I already have it, I'm just going to X out. And then to access the database, we just are going to click on World Almanac Kids. And since I've already logged in before, it is taking me right into this, but I will put my library card on the screen so you guys can access it through my library card today. So this is the home page, and there's a lot of different features. There's a featured article that you can scroll through and see what we have on here today. Featured topics, so you could read about any of these if they're of interest to you, and you can see on the side you could just go to fun facts or to videos, but we are going to just focus on doing a search with the simple search bar at the top. So whatever your topic is, that's your keyword. If you're doing your report on English Bulldogs, you should type in English Bulldogs. I'm going to just do a general search on dogs, just so I can point out some features to you guys. So when I search this, I'm going to get a list of articles and results. So here's one that's generally what is a dog, but this is most popular dog breeds, and then it goes into some specifics about dogs. So right now we're in all subjects and we're in all types. You can just filter to images or videos, but we do want to be looking primarily at articles, so I think we should just leave it to all for right now. And I'm going to click on this first hit here to show you guys. So I want to point out the read aloud feature. If I click on this, I can listen to the article being read.
Dogs are the most popular pets in the United States.
So as you can see, it's a very Siri-like voice. There's also the option to print or save this article. If you're logged into your own account, saving is more useful because you can collect a couple articles that you're interested in and look at them later. Printing is great if you want to read this later or hard copy, but we'll just be reading and looking at them on our computers in class today. And another feature I want to point out is at the bottom. So in some classes, or definitely when you get to middle school, teachers are going to look for citations and bibliographies. So at the bottom here is the citation information. You'll be using MLA. So you could just copy and paste this citation to use in your paper if your teacher asked for it. She may or may not at this point, but it's good to know that this is included at the bottom of the article. And I think that about covers it, what we're going to do today. You can always click to the home page by clicking home, and hopefully this will get you guys started with some good research for your projects.